Alright, so what we need to do now is add some more timers, because right now all we're capturing is our cycle time, our stop time, and our alarm time, or if the alarm is on or off. What we really would like to have now is a job run timer, or something that's going to capture when a job number comes in, that the timer starts and it accumulates time for that timer. So as you can see, I have now created a job timer just by creating add timer, putting in the description, and getting a start and stop condition. So when a message, job start, so for example, we go back over here, when this message came in, job start, it's going to start counting this timer. What's going to stop it is a message, job stop. So when we go to our operator screen and we tell it job stop, that message comes into the system right here, then this timer will stop counting. But what about a zero? Like what do we do? How do we zero out the timer? Because if we just stop it and then start a new job, it's going to just start counting again. So this is where we're going to set a clear condition of message job stop. Now, we also want everything else to change during the job change. So we're going to change the clear condition on our cycle and on our stopped and in our alarm to job stop. So when this message job stop comes in, all of our timers are going to reset back to 0. Now, to give us something to see all this, we're going to save our MDC engine. We're going to go to our live setup and select our MDC test, because we want to add, or not MDC test, I'm sorry, our status screen, MDC test status screen. We're going to change our real-time values, and we're going to add a job time here. So let's go copy. Now this is going to be different in that it's going to be a timer. So we want to go over here, we're going to look for a timer, and this is going to be job timer. The total running time on the timer, job timer. We'll get rid of that there. Now, this is going to be called the job time. Ooh. Would help to get rid of caps lock. And then we're going to place this one on the bottom bar as well. This is not going to be text, it's going to be hours, minutes, seconds. All right, let's hit. Now, we could do the same thing with a program timer. So you see, you can really get quite a bit going in here. Currently, program 1234 has been running for 30 minutes. As you can see here, it's starting to count. If we go to our operator screen, and actually let's go here. For machine B, we're going to tell it to stop or alarm off. So now it's sitting here. Everything is stopped except for the job, because the job is technically still running. It's just in a stopped state. Now, so this is the current stopped time. This is the program still running. Let's go over here and say in our operator screen, in machine B, that the job has ended. You'll notice now it has reset back to 0 and it's waiting for a new job. We go to MDC, operator screen. We're going to tell it that we're going to run program 9999. We'll come back over here to our screen. There's now a new program number or job number, and our job timer has started to run. And so that's how you can add a new timer that grabs just the time that that job has been running. It will take into consideration the job start and job end and just accumulate the time, whether it's stopped, whether it's in an alarm state, or if it's in a cycle start. Before we go, I want to point out that you'll notice the smaller the characters are down here in the corner where the job number is, it's kind of hard to see that black font. So we're going to go to our live setup, real-time values, status screens for the MDC tests. We're going to pick our text color. We're going to go with a white color. Save. And now you can see the screen is much more readable.